Hello guys, welcome to the market channel. So in this video we're talking about how to bind the hierarchy robot with the Binance exchange. So some people ask that they don't know how to bind it together, so I want to teach you guys. So let's continue. So this is the hierarchy robot. Don't forget, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please kindly subscribe and like this video so for more content like this. Now all you need to do, this is your hierarchy home page. You will see at the top here, you will see the icon API binding. So click on the API binding. You will see Binance and you see HUBI. So let's assume it's HUBI. You click on it, and if it is Binance, you click on Binance. Then you have something like this: enter access key, please enter secret key, and verification. So let's start and let's do that one. So go to your Binance app. So click on more. This on the home page you see more. So click on it. So sorry, I guess my network is there's too much traffic on Binance. Don't have permission to access the device. What's going on? Okay, so click on more. Then go to, just scroll down under others. You see API bind, API management. So that's like the last icon there. So click on API management. So then you see create API. So what's the label of the API I want to create? Let me say I'm naming it Royal Q API. Create API. Then it's going to send verification toward this. Okay, let's click do it. Send. This phone number is not in my phone right now. Oh, okay, let me use this Binance. Let me close this one. That phone number is not on my phone right now. So more, then API management. Okay, then the label, let me call it Royal 2. So click on create. Okay, get code. So okay, 7761938 email. So now okay, Royal Q2, can you see Royal 2? So then click on this drop down. You will see it, API key, the secret key, you understand. Then you see enabling. So enables, or don't enable withdrawal, enable spot margin trade, enable it. Just click on it. Okay, it's not going. Click on edit. Once you click on edit, then yeah, so it's going now. Then the rest, leave it. You don't need the rest again. So then go up and save it. Click on save. Permission expire. Trading permission are only available for 90 days. Okay, no problem. Okay. Hey, it's calling me. So you cannot save it. So sorry. I got it says section expire. Okay, so API has been edited. Can you now see now? So my secret key is here. So let me copy it and let's just join it together. Wow, this, sorry. So then API key, then paste, then send code. So when I send code, the code has been sent to my email of this. Then I can go ahead and then copy the code. So then I'll click, I've read this, then I'll click on what, on bind. Then after that, then you see this, that your Binance have been banned with the API binding. Then that's all. Then after that, after you bind it, just go to more here underneath here, like profile, my, click on my. Then after clicking on my, you see this under this asset, click on asset, then click on deposit, then deposit $120. After deposit $120, then go back. Once it reflects, then go back, click on this view permission here, or you see activate here. Once you click on activate, it's going to tell you that it's going to pay $100. Click on it, buy it. Then after you pay the $100, then the main $20 will still be in this balance. So this $20 will be used over time. Can you see, as fueling fee, fuel strategy, fuel everything. So this will be deducted by cent by cent, cent by cent. So can you see 0.00 something cents have been deducted. So that's how it is. So then you make sure that your Binance account you have USDT in your spot wallet. So once you have USDT in your spot wallet, just come here again, come to Circle, just to make everything easy for you. Or normally you can just go ahead and synchronize strategy by yourself, creating strategy. But to make it easier, just come to Circle underneath here. Under Circle, just on this search button, just click on Crypto Bull. Click on the search and type Crypto Bull. Then you see something like this. Then click on that Crypto Bull. Then you see something like this also. You see this particular group has made over 4,000% profit. So click, you see CB66 strategy. So click on it. Once you click on it, then underneath here, let me cancel the strategy. Yeah. Underneath here, you see synchronize strategy. You see synchronize. Click on synchronize. So the first buying amount, let's assume your balance of USD is $100. So that means your first buying amount will be $10. Let's assume, because it has the way you do buy it. So if it goes down a little bit, you buy more again. If it goes down a little bit, you buy more again. So if you have balance of $100 and you're putting 100 as the first buy, so if it goes down again, you will not able to have anything to buy again. So but if you have a balance of $500, you can use 30. If you have a balance of $1,000, you can use like 50. Do you understand? So that as it comes down, it's going to save funds to buy them up, and you see that everything, and by the time you take profit, everything will be okay. And you see the number of strategy. So I can put like maybe like 12 here. Number of strategy. You understand? Can you see it here? So now strategy, you see it. You can put one. If you put one, that means you'll only be placing one coin for you every time. So you recycle that coin. And if you put two, you will place 2 coins for you. But if you don't have enough balance, just make it one strategy. Do you understand? So just click synchronize strategy. Once you click on synchronize, automatically everything will be what we start, and can just go back to the home page, and you see it here running. Do you understand? You see it here running. So you see it there running. So you see it has bought a coin and it's running. So that's how it is. If you want to check your revenue, just come to revenue dashboard here. You see it there. So that revenue icon is beside API binding. So just click on it, then you see it is running also. So you see if it's making profit, you see, and that's all about it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also share this video with your friends. Thank you very much. God bless you.